Let me ask you something and be honest. Have you ever felt like you know how to trade, but when the market opens, everything falls apart? Everything feels scattered? You've got your indicators, you've got your charts, but without a clear, repeatable process, all that information turns into noise. That's the real problem most traders face. Today, I'm going to break down the four-step trading process that actually wins. No hype, no shortcuts, just proven structure. I'm Kevin Lloyd with Market Pro Trading, and through years of training traders, I've seen it all. And most traders don't fail because they're bad at trading. They fail because they don't have a real process that shows them where they are struggling. Without a real process, trading, consistency is impossible. If you're serious about trading, you've probably spent years jumping between strategies that don't perform, overthinking your entries and exits, second guessing yourself after every trade, and wondering why consistency always feels like it's just out of reach. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Most retail traders out there, they're just winging it. They show up with no preparation, no repeatable edge, no clear rules that you can actually follow under market pressure. Meanwhile, the traders that are pulling ahead, they aren't smarter. They're just systematic, process driven. While others continue to guess, they follow a set of rules. While others react emotionally, they execute a real plan. While others hope, they track data and make improvements. Deep down, you already know all of this, and you say to yourself, there has to be a better way. That's exactly why Market Pro Trading exists. To help traders stop guessing, stop struggling, and start trading with structure. Let's walk through the four-step process. Step 1, define your trading edge. Most traders lose because they try to trade everything all the time. Different markets, different strategies, different time frames. No consistency, no knowledge of what strategies work in what types of markets and at what times a day. At Market Pro Trading, the first step is clarity. What type of trader are you? What setups actually fit your personality? What strategies can you execute consistently? Once you know this, decision making gets a lot easier and emotional trading stops fast. Step 2, scan only for high probability setups. Random ticker chasing kills accounts. Instead of reacting to noise, this step teaches you how to find and watch only the trades that match your edge. You'll have better focus on higher quality opportunities. You're no longer asking, what should I trade? You'll already know. Step 3, plan the trade before you enter. This is where most traders sabotage themselves. Professional traders don't figure it out later. They define entry, exit, risk, and invalidation all before placing a trade. With a rule-based trading plan, execution becomes mechanical, not emotional. You stop improvising and you start executing. This is the missing step for 90% of all traders. This is the game changer, so really pay attention here. Losing trades, they don't mean failure. They're feedback, valuable data to identify what went wrong in the trade and why. Was it your execution? Sizing. This is valuable data so you can make adjustments and fix it immediately, not in weeks and potentially thousands of dollars of losses later. This is how traders learn and grow. This is how consistency is built. This framework wasn't built in theory. It was built over 20 years of real trading through bull runs of bear crashes. No shortcuts, no nonsense. Just structure, discipline, and execution. So here's the question. Are you still trying to learn how to trade the hard way? Or are you ready to trade with a clear, repeatable process? If you're serious about trading consistently, the next step is simple. Go to Market Pro Trading and book a free strategy call. On that call, we'll identify what's holding your trading back. Pinpoint where your process is breaking down. See if our system is right for you. No pressure, no hype, just clarity. Trading success doesn't come from better guesses. It comes from a better process. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start trading with structure, come on over to Market Pro Trading and book your free strategy call today. Your consistency starts here. Thanks for watching, and remember to trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video.